Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Dirty Journey. So today I just want to show you really quick the things that I bought from Marshall. So I really want to buy shoes that really for a long time this kind of shoes, but really hard to find it even in Indonesia or in New York. Is because sometimes the size is too big and the price is too much, so I didn't buy it. But today I got it, these kind of shoes. Yeah, so this shoes is made by Zara. So I bought it in Marshall. I got really good price. It's only like 17,000, no, only $17. So it's really good price and it's a brand new, as you can see. And I got my what you call it, the number that I need. Yeah, I got the number that I need. So I just really quick want to try it again. It's because I'm going to use it to go to um to some place with my friends. So it's really cool, huh? So I'm wearing this, and also that. Beside that, I also bought another thing, which is the belt. So this ball I got like 13 dollars. So it's also really cheap compared to the others belts. I really like this kind of belt. It's because it's really easy to use and the texture is nice. Everything is nice. So yeah. Sorry for that. Oops. HPku baru saja terjatuh. Okay, karena I like this belt. Before I bought this color and this one I bought this color. So it's look really nice. I'm gonna try it. Karena murah banget, bisa dapat 13 dolar. Yang ini aku beli 32 dolar. Too much. But today we got the cheap one. I'm gonna use it real quick. And yeah, I think it will be perfect. Nice. Really fit very well. See, cool. So that's it. It's all fit. So I'm gonna use my shoes real quick. For that, I'm going socks. I don't know what socks do I need to use today. Let's see. To use black socks like that. I have this socks and the black socks, but now I want to try the black socks first because I used the black shoes, so I bet it will be perfect match for the black sock as well. Going to use it now. So I'm gonna try the shoes. But before that, gonna pull all the rice back. So it's made by Zara. Let's see. Ooh, it fits perfectly. Nice. So ready to use it. Here, let's see. It's nice. I didn't know how to turn on, but it's look really cool. Don't you think so? Oop. Yep, it is. See? Love it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.